I'm excited. I got my camera, I think. While I was driving here, I noticed the tape on the box is busted. I'm a little concerned. Oh yeah. Not good sounding. Oh, where's my camera? Hello? That does not sound good. I'm scared. Okay. Jingle jingle. I was scared. It's a frame. Had me scared, had me scared. Oh. It's in here. Alright, it's in here. Is it in here? Oh yeah. A little dusty, but not crusty. Okay, a little scrapage on my scroll wheel. Things look good there. We have a battery. We have two. They are aftermarket. But they do fit in. Let's try that. Very nice. Okay, let's check in. No dust. It's a little gunky. But in fairly decent shape. Cool. And then we go here. I just got this Metabones adapter. And it should fit right on here. bounce on there. I'm gonna play with some settings here. It does take pictures. Beautiful. Very exciting. Frame and all. I don't know if this is still working. Frame, camera. Time to play with settings. I hope this was slightly as exciting as it was for me. Very exciting. I'm excited. Okay, bye.